Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Pager is a fascinating case study in the evolution of communication technology. It's a story of innovation, adaptation, and ultimately, being overtaken by the relentless march of progress. Starting as a simple paging service, Pager allowed people to receive short messages, a precursor to the text messages we use today. Think of it as a one-way text message system. You could send a message to someone's pager, but they couldn't reply directly through the device. It was a revolutionary concept at the time, providing a way to reach people on the go without needing a landline. This was particularly useful for professionals like doctors, who needed to be reachable in emergencies. Imagine a world without cell phones. Pager offered a crucial link, bridging the gap between being completely unreachable and tethered to a desk phone. It offered a sense of freedom and accessibility previously unavailable. The distinctive beep of a pager became synonymous with urgency and importance. It signaled that someone needed to be contacted, adding a layer of immediacy to communication. The small, rectangular devices clipped onto belts and became ubiquitous symbols of connectivity in the 1990s. However, as technology progressed, pagers began to show their limitations. The one-way communication became a major drawback as cell phones, with their two-way communication capabilities, gained popularity. The ability to not only receive messages but also respond in real time made cell phones a far more attractive option. The rise of the internet and email further diminished the pager's relevance. Suddenly, people could send longer messages, including attachments, with ease. The limitations of the pager's short message format became increasingly apparent. The pager, once a symbol of cutting-edge technology, gradually became obsolete, replaced by more versatile and powerful devices. While pagers are rarely used today, their legacy remains. They played a crucial role in the development of mobile communication, paving the way for the ubiquitous smartphones we rely on today. They serve as a reminder of how quickly technology evolves and how even the most innovative products can be overtaken by progress.